Deputy Chief Minister Badai Khmi iaka PWD Road ba Preston Tensong haka arpau trek jeliu ulapen tep ba ka jingpen kre ban khot iaka tender na ka benta ka Shillong Dawki package 1 kan sedang no shen.
Tendering process is still on. I am very sure very soon the package 1 will be finalized. Whoever the successful bidders concerned. No, relevant to optional I don't know because it is their responsibility to follow it off with the defense. Because this falls under the defense land. And defense land, in fact, from the Delhi, they have decided to part the land to the NHRL for construction of four-lane road over there. So right now, in the well, the case is lying with the Honorable High Court. So I will not say much.
Can you tell us about your committee? When are you meeting? Regional committee?
Yeah, that is very soon. You know what happened was these days, our members, they went, they was not in the station, they went for workshop and all. So just yesterday and some of them, day first they reached back the state. So maybe most likely this week I will fix the meeting with the regional committee members, and thereafter we will have a joint regional committee meeting with our counterpart.
So due to incessant rain, there's many devastation, many people have lost their lives and the roads infrastructure is also very dilapidated.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about
No, that in fact I've already instructed the department concerned, the commissioner secretary and all the engineers to be alert and to be active. Wherever damage happens, we need to again restore it at the earliest possible.